Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Anjum Shafiq, your biology teacher for grade 11. And today I am going to discuss the exercise of chapter number 12. So let's start. So dear students, exercise question number 1, fill in the blanks. The first blank is, plants absorb minerals in their ionic form as found in the soil water. Clear? And blank number 2, in plants, the most common nutrient deficiencies are of magnesium, nitrogen, and phosphorus. ये most common है. Blank number 3, a plant requires water for holding its cells together. Number 4, most of the organic material in the plant is carbohydrate. Number 5, chlorosis is usually caused by the insufficient supply of magnesium and nitrogen. Number 6, in pitcher plant, the trapped insects are decomposed by bacteria. So pitcher plant is the answer. Number 7, the structure in the mouth that prevents the food from entering the nasal cavities is the soft palate. Number 8, the stomach functions store the food and its digestion. So, number 8, the stomach functions to store food and its digestion. Number 9, earthworm is the common example of detritivore. Number 10, pancreas produces an enzyme which stimulates the conversion of glycogen to glucose. और यहाँ पर हम एंजाइम की जगह उस एंजाइम का नाम भी लिख सकते हैं, glycogen phosphorylase, which stimulates the conversion of glycogen to glucose. And number 11, vomiting occurs due to antiperistaltic movements. Question number 2, each question has 4 options and circle the correct answer. So, MCQ number 1, a plant requires nitrogen and sulfur for its option alpha cell wall, beta is enzymes, Charlie is starch deposits, and delta is DNA replication. So the correct answer is beta option, that is enzymes. MCQ number 2, a plant requires potassium for alpha option synthesizing protein, beta option synthesizing chlorophyll, Charlie option opening and closing of stomata. So yes, so that is the answer, opening and closing of stomata. MCQ number 3, it says, carnivorous plants lives in the soils that are deficient in alpha option water, beta option oxygen, Charlie option nitrogen, and delta option iron. So the correct answer is Charlie option, that is nitrogen. Number 4, most vitamins function as alpha option catalyst, beta option high energy compound, Charlie option gastrovascular cavity, and delta option is transport molecule. So the correct answer is most vitamins function as catalysts, alpha option. Number 5, digestion in Hydra and Planaria takes place within its alpha coelom, beta alimentary canal, Charlie gastrovascular cavity, and delta mouth. So the correct answer is Charlie, it says gastrovascular cavity. Number 6, mucus in saliva is made up of alpha glycolipids, beta glycoproteins, Charlie phospholipids, and delta saturated fatty acids. So the correct answer is beta, that is glycoproteins. Number 7, the structure in the mouth that prevents the food from entering the nasal cavities is alpha epiglottis, beta soft palate, Charlie tongue, and delta pharynx. So the correct answer is beta, that is soft palate. MCQ number 8, it states, a mammalian herbivore has alpha fewer teeth than a carnivore, B. Flatter teeth than a carnivore, Charlie, more teeth than a carnivore. D or delta, more pointy teeth than a carnivore. So the correct answer, obviously you know, that is flatter teeth. तो flatter teeth कौन से होते हैं? Incisors. तो इनके अंदर incisors जो होते हैं मौजूद होते हैं carnivores की निस्बत. Flatter teeth, beta option. Now, number 9. Many humans become ill from consuming milk and milk products because they lack alpha, bacteria in their intestines, beta, rennin, Charlie, lactase, and delta, hydrochloric acid. So the correct answer is lactase. आपको याद होगा lactose intolerance हमने बात की थी. And number 10. Which of the following animal has no need for a gallbladder? तो gallbladder किसके लिए चाहिए? बाइल के लिए कि secretion के लिए, और बाइल किसके लिए चाहिए? emulsification of fats के लिए. So cats, alpha option cats, beta man, Charlie lion, and delta goat. तो goat तो आपको पता है वो fats तो खाते नहीं हैं, तो उनको emulsify करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. So they do not need the gallbladder. So the correct answer is delta. Now question number 3, the short questions. What is the advantage of digestive tract as compared with the digestive cavity? So digestive tract is comparable to tube-like digestive system, which is more beneficial for animals as compared to digestive cavity or a sac-like digestive system, because digestive tract is more adaptive or evolved than that of digestive cavity and is more advanced in helping ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and excretion and ingestion. Question number 2. What are the functions of human liver? So liver acts as central metabolic station. Liver acts as a central clearing house. It produces biles, which is involved in emulsification. Liver converts toxic substances like ammonia into less toxic substance like urea through urea cycle. And it is also involved in the storage of substances like surplus glucose into glycogen, lactic acid into glycogen, and like the interconversion of glycogen into glucose. And it is also involved in the breakdown of dead and worn out RBCs. So heme degradation. Question number 3. What measures should be taken to avoid food poisoning? तो food poisoning से बचने के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए dear students? Number 1, the food should be properly cooked. Number 2, that dishing utensils should be cleaned properly. And number 3, keep food away from the germ carriers and try not to bought canned meat especially. And number 4, can we get along without large intestine? If not, then why? So we cannot get along without large intestine because it helps in absorption of the water and minerals, and it also involved in the removal of waste and movement of waste throughout the body. Clear? So we cannot live and we cannot get along without the large intestine, as it is the important part, क्योंकि वाटर की absorption यहीं से होनी है, उससे पहले कहीं पे भी नहीं होनी. तो अगर ये नहीं है, so वाटर की absorption नहीं है, so it will lead to various abnormalities. So dear students, hopefully आज का लेक्चर भी आपको क्लैरिफाई हो गया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में और स्टार्ट करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 13, दैट इज गैसियस एक्सचेंज. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.